Hey guys, and welcome to another video where today I am playing this game right here, Medieval Warfare Reforged. You got that? You got that? Okay? You got that? You got that? Okay. Now, I'm going to play Core Blocks like I have for the past, I don't know, 3 times. Now, the last time I played this...
I'm David, me boy, I have better stuff than him.
The last time I played, I became king for like 5 different,
7
different, for 7 votes.
Because he was so good at acting like a king, like, he had bodyguards. I was the best at acting like a king. I did really good in like everything. Yeah.
I'm still level 1. Why do I have this armor?
Our soldiers kept our treaties.
Yeah.
The other
for only
people
so
in the
long.
Treaty didn't.
David?
Now.
I can't join you.
Do nomads or something. I must see the Nomad Kingdom. And I'm also going to have this awesome sword. But of course I'm trying to get a hammer. Hurrah! 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 I'm gonna see this kingdom. Okay, it's a puny kingdom. Hey, I got something out of this trip. It wasn't much, but it was something. Now, let's get hurt. Whee! Ouch. That was a lot of damage. Now, let's go find some ores. Is that Mesonite? Yep, that looks like it. Okay, so right now I am trying to make... Where is it? The Sharer. I need 5 neonite and 4 Mesonite. Mesonite can be crafted by using... You can craft Mesonite by using... Ooh, what's this? By combining 4 demonite. And then... But you get, and you combine them at the ore forger. Now, where's some more stuff? Neonite. Glows green. Is like the only ore that glows green. That's neonite.
No, there are others.
Schmack, schmack. I need it.
Oh, that's rare.
The golden knife.
Red
That-
cliff.
I think I'll get this because I want blue steel. It's worth quite a bit. Although it's easy. Oh, come on.
Control.
Ooh, I see a dark blue
No, control.
one too.
Oh. I had no idea how I did that. Okay.
Yeah. And some
Blood's
games it's just-
demonite.
Ooh!
Mesonite. I need this. David, is that Titan steel? How much is Titan steel worth?
That's Titan steel. It's worth 10.
It's rare, and it's worth 10. What a wonderful combination! It's horrible. But it makes good weapons.
No, it's worth 30.
Might as well take it.
Makes pretty good. No.
Yes. I actually want to be king. Mining, 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 I'll mine the mining.
Vote yourself.
You can't vote yourself. Now, I have... What do I have? 2 blue steel, 3 that.
Oh!
What?
It's done. It's done.
We got demonite. Where are you in the mine?
Running for my life. That's where, James. Another core blocks guy. Wonderful. Let's see how cool he is. That's actually pretty cool. No. Oh, okay. Wow.
Keep your stones? Yeah. Good, Lucky. You can sell them now. I'm gonna save the diamond.
I just need money. Lots and lots of... That's useless. Not at least money. Small bloodstone. Wonderful. Dang it. Someone took it before I could. You know what? I am having a hard time finding any neonite or anything. I need neonite.
Neonite?
Yes, neonite. Glows green. The only ore that glows green.
Xionite, arcanite, emolite. Emolite, that looks cool.
And it's also used to make a wonderful weapon.
How many do you need though?
Don't know how many.
Too strong.
Hey, look. Here's a cool thing. Hold down this click button. Press ask again, and you're always swinging until you click again. Blue steel! Dang it. I might die before I get it. I'm still gonna try. I'm gonna die before I get it for sure. Oh, wait, no.
Shift
So
to
close
go
to time.
fast.
But you go really slow when you're, have low health.
Plus W. You should get W.
You go slow when you have low health.
I'm trying to get a diamond sword. And you need to buy diamonds. I have diamonds. All I need to do is get wood so this guy...
Now, trader. Gold. Worth nothing.
Bloodstone.
Bloodstone's actually worth a bit.
I know.
I thought I had 2 though.
No, only 1.
Tim, go to like out of the kingdom and head towards the mine. I'll be
Da na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
a bright red tree.
Where?
Strongwood. Where's some? That don't look like buff wood.
James, try getting the wood from that tree with the bright
Da
red
da da da
leaves.
da 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 da. Da 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 da
No,
da
his
da da
armor is
da
ultra good.
da 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 da.
mind if I use your account? You want me to build up for you?
Mommy, I can make the dinosaur. Actually, Retail Tycoon, it's fine.
It doesn't save.
It doesn't save.
It
I don't
doesn't
think it
automatically. Retail Tycoon doesn't automatically save.
It just appeared right there.
It manually save. You save it manually. Neonite, good. Now, I have how much?
Hey, Mommy,
3 Mesonite.
What?
at this on this tribe, I spot our.
You mean
place is
kingdom?
over-
It's a
on
kingdom.
This kingdom, we spawn. Our place is right over.
The mine. That's where the nomads are. Blood Demon Knight. Amen.
Catman.
I was just gonna say, I don't think
Give it a bit of emo, but
no,
a
not
boat.
on the parents' account.
Admin.
Bing, 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 bing,
James is dying.
Is that you?
Yes. Mesonite. Okay.
I need to come and
How much neonite do you have?
Neonite?
Yes, neonite.
Not that much. I don't even know it.
Look, this doesn't hurt you. Neonite, the only ore that glows green.
No. I don't. I think I sold it.
Aw. I need like 2 more
You
neonite.
can give people
You can give you can give people things, which basically you drop it and then stuff. I also need precious ores.
Hey, someone blue is going to kill me. I can tell. I'm gonna get this.
I also
weird
need
orange thing.
I also need a lot of precious ores. Is that what I think it
Is
is?
it bloodstone?
Is it?
Upper.
Da-na-na-na-na-na.
Oh.
Demonite.
Tim, let's find some gems.
Tim, why are you walking around swinging?
I'm not touching the mouse. I'm not touching the mouse, see?
I know, but why?
So I can mine things when I find them that I want.
I don't care.
I mean, you can get it and turn it into masonite.
It's an
And then you use masonite.
You
to
mean
get
mesonite.
Mesa!
I don't care.
Mesonite.
Don't scream in my ear.
I'm screaming in Tim's head.
Actually, you were screaming in his ear.
Tim
Neonite!
was making a video.
I am making a video.
You forgot
So,
for a bit. Or you're acting like you forgot, or you're be talking!
nah.
You found me.
Video's almost
Yes,
over.
more neonite.
Neonite's super good.
Is that? What is that? Topaz? This is topaz. This has to be topaz. This has to be
that's not
topaz. Give me topaz. What is it?
It's,
Zeonite.
it's worth 10. Neonite! Neonite! Woo!
Need them.
We need 'em,
I need
'em.
money. That's what I need.
Strongwood is worth
Ooh,
25.
yay! I found some red. This one.
One, two, three, four. Final one. I got all the neonite.
Notice a file.
I need to go to that now.
You need to find a rainbow.
What
As
is
you
that?
can see, demonite glow is less than Titan steel.
Titan
Titan
steel
steel.
sucks.
Is it worth much?